Joe with Joe's Golden Garage with a dream come true right here. I guess you all know what that is. I have actually never set foot in one of these cars. Never. And this is a convertible. Oh, it's like cranking my Cub Cadet. The engine is behind me. Wow, that is wild. Okay, climate control now, not 80. It's amazing how you can just jump in a car and figure out how to use. I mean, I've never been in one of these a day in my life. What do we got? It's a 2009 with 50,000 miles, a trade-in at the Honda store. I mean, what in the hell? I just got done driving that Chevy Spark. You thought that was small. Well, this is small. I don't even know how to operate this thing. What kind of transmission is this? Holy crap. It's acting like it wants me to shift. I guess so. Paddle shift. You paddle shift this damn thing. Damnedest thing I ever seen. Man, you want to talk about a firm ride? This has a firm ride. I like the red interior though. That is really catchy. That is cool as shit. I mean, it's clean. The outside, the red paint could use some, looks like it could use some buffing. Oh man, short wheelbase. Ooh. Oh God. Short wheelbase. Oh, we're out of gas. I mean, like 0 miles to empty. I do not want to die in this thing. You know what? It's pretty peppy though. Not too bad. I mean, it's pretty peppy. I'm surprised. Here we go. What is this? Like some sort of DCT transmission? What is this thing? Or an SMG? What a weird transmission, man. Weird. Wow. That's exactly what it is. It's like an SMG. That is nuts. I had to paddle shift through all those gears. I mean, is there not just a manual drive mode? Okay, there's manual drive mode. Okay. So I just had it selected in the wrong spot. Man, what a jumpy ass ride. This thing is jumpy as shit. Ooh. Now, if I could get one of these for about $1,000, I mean, it's gotta. I'm not even gonna fool with the convertible talk because I have absolutely. Wait, there's the button. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot. Let's get it up here and park it though. Weird. Yeah, it shifts, it literally shifts gears like a SMG style transmission. Crazy, man. Okay, top down. There it goes. Huh. So it's a partial convertible. Well, that's kind of cool though. Huh, interesting. Well, I just had to say I'd done it. Never been in one. Had to say I've done it. At least done it. Yeah, paint's pretty faded. Oh my gosh, the fronts. Oh, yeah, the paint on it is a wreck. This thing has seen better days for sure. Oh yeah, clear coat peeling off. Interesting rig for sure. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.